Hi, welcome. This is David Jones of David Jones Marketing, and I wanted to just bring you up to speed on how to go about registering for an account using Aweber. Now, Aweber is one of the services I use in my business. It's a premium email service provider. It also can act as a CRM, and what I want to make possible for you today is for you to be able to not only register for a new Aweber account, but also to get it for free. So what's going to happen is that as you use my affiliate link here to sign up for Aweber's new free plan, which will more or less give you access to email marketing, sign up forms, integration, automations, landing pages, this is going to be completely free for you. Normally, you would have gotten a trial period of about 30 days to use Aweber before turning over to a paid program, but now Aweber has a feature where you can actually have it for free. Of course, as your email list grows and goes beyond a certain point, you might then very well have to engage in the more premium plan, which is the paid plan, but even then it's relatively inexpensive. So all you would do to go about registering your account here, you click on this button, Get Aweber Free, and once you click here, it will take you to a page where you will fill in your first, your last name, your email address. You click the button here, Start Growing Today, and that's all there is to it. Of course, if you already had an Aweber account, you just click Sign In. But for those of you who are new, this is how you will go about it. First name, last name, email address, Start Growing Today. And once you do that, then you will be favored with an email coming from Aweber welcoming you to the platform and giving you some more instructions for you to carry out. And that's basically all there is to it. What I can do for you is I probably, well, no, I don't think I'll do that because I don't wanna just set up an account just for the sake of setting up one because I already have one. But that's all there is to it, folks. And you can see it's pretty easy. You can find your way from there. So that's all there is for this video. Just want to show you how easy it is to register for an Aweber account. And I will have future videos on how to get started creating your first sign up form so that when you are ready to start getting emails, getting subscribers to your blog, I'll show you how to set up that subscriber form in detail. I'll do a video on that as well as other aspects of Aweber, especially being new, you may not know, and that I can promise you I'll do that for you. So that's all there is to it, folks. This is my video how to get started with Aweber. Thank you for watching. Over and out.